Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to talk about the 45-degree angle stocks. So let's look at this today. That 45-degree angle. So that was a great opportunity to take an intraday trade. It's not about positional. In intraday, we find out a great opportunity. Some stocks, how many of them are watching this 45-degree angle scanner. So you may find out some stock which stays in the top for a long time. Okay. So before going to video, kindly subscribe the channel again. And let me find out how many of them are watching about the stock which stays in the top. That is what India Cement. It's a fabulous movement in a call side, but overall market is negative by opening. But most of the stocks are gap down. And I find today is my trade. I have missed a lot of opportunities in Bank Nifty, and I find out M&M Finance. There is a good opportunity, but I cannot able to take the price 10 paisa difference. I cannot able to take it out, and NMDC. That is also another great stock which I'm taken, but unfortunately it went very fast, 1.5 rupees, very quick. That was happening. But the stock which stays in the top, that was first India Cement. How many of them are watching about the scanner about a 45-degree? The India Cement is the stock where it stays on the top of that scanner of 45-degree long. So India Cement a long time it was in the top. So I find out India Cement, but I find out only uh, so far later. So let's see. Today started 29th. The day where it is. From it started around 236, almost 9% up. Went up to 274, almost near about 3 o'clock. It was upper price, 10% higher circuit, upper circuit. So there is an opportunity while if you are making a trade. This trade not only about a 45-degree angle. And those who followed my advanced option strategy, there is a entry point on 235 call option, where it is given you around 22 rupees, I think, and it was went huge. That 235 call option, that I find out it was almost 20 plus. It generated to the entry point, but after that it went up to huge of nearby 34, 38, 37. It went up almost doubled in a day after it is triggering our entry point by advanced option strategy. But I took some trades on 240. Let's go for a 15 minutes time frame. This is what the stock which stays in the 45-degree angle. Let's look at this is what a 45-degree angle where I taken the some position on a 245 call option. That's what ATM 245 call option that I'm focusing for positional basis around 15 rupees. Then it went up to today close is around, today high is around 32.95. And another one which I'm trying to find out on a OTM strategy, 260 call option which I taken, which I'm taken around 9.8. It went up to maximum 19, almost double. In India Cement. India Cement as per positional advanced strategy, that has also given you the entry around 21, 22 rupees, and it went up to 37 rupees. So your target got triggered by advanced option strategy. So let me look at this. It's a 45-degree stock which stays in the top. It stays in the top. If you are anyone who are watching the scanner, initially it is a top stock which is stays on the top level by 45-degree angle. So and then due to this movement, after this movement, it was not in the scanner and it was going down. But from here it is in the top. After that there is a small down, and finally it reaches the peak around 274. It's a single slightly movement, almost 14 points in the last 15 minutes. So this will pays me that 45-degree scanner, which pays me somewhere around let me check it out what the trade booked profit is around positional trade which I have taken in that India Cement, that is a OTM option. You know the OTM strategy also, that is a 9.8 and 11.8 which I sold. So 5,800 which I booked on that 260 call option, and it went up to 19 after exit within quick time frame. 19. This is what a trade which I have done in India Cement based on the 45-degree angle. And the second one which I am taken about that one is somewhere around where it is gone. Yeah, here there is India Cement which is 245 call option where I have taken somewhere around 15 rupees, sold 20, and it went up to 32.95. So I'm not expecting all the highs and lows to my profit. So where I invested some amount while I'm getting some good consistent return from that amount, it was good enough. And in intraday, if it has happened, there was a great opportunity while I'm making money. And this is what our two trades and some other trade which I have done in VEDL. But VEDL, I was missed out of the trade opportunity. Initially, I tried the stock around 290 while it is trading. This is also it upper circuit today. I'm trying it around 290. When it suddenly moved to 293, I ignored it. But while it went up to 305 and hit the upper circuit, and finally it reached to 310 plus, I think. But while I'm 18 and I have exited very quick profit within a 2 to 3 minutes. That was happening only 2 to 3 minutes. I have booked a 4,000 rupees. That is good enough profit while I'm making it today, and I was exited. This is what which I have taken based on some other different scanner. I'm not disclosing yet on my YouTube about this scanner. Okay, and based on that I have taken some two trades by positional. So that I'm going to discuss by tomorrow while I'm booking the profit on that. But that 45-degree stocks, that was works perfect and well. Based on that, after that ACC also be there in the list, but I'm not doing ACC because it's I'm not interested to do it, and it was keep on going higher and higher. So ACC and Can Bank, RBL also be the list after sometimes later. But I am holding a position, but compared to previous day analysis, previous day scanner. So what are the stocks? Do you think about L&T FS was yesterday's stocks? L&T Finance holding, that was on yesterday, but I was taking a position and I'm holding it out. Today I am booking on L&T FS also. There is a good profit which I am based on the 45-degree. So that L&T FS, I will show you that profit booked on L&T FS. It's about it's good profit were made almost L&T FH almost 11,000 plus. So where it is L&T FH, and almost two trades, two different trades which I have done in L&T FH. That was giving you good profit. I think L&T FH. It's also triggering entry around our scanner, like what we see. Our scanner is about that another different scanner which I've taken, right? So L&T FH. That is what another trade which we have done today in L&T FH. Two trades which I have done in L&T FH. I show you. This is also be by 45-degree angle. So L&T FH 80 call option around 11,000 rupees profit which I have done, and some other one L&T FH the same strike price of 80 around 5.6 to 6.6, almost 8,000 rupees. Almost is the L&T FH alone generate you the profit over nearby 19-20,000 rupees. So that is stock which is done by yesterday, and I keep holding it on positional because it is given you entry by advanced strategy. So that gives me a confidence, and I'm holding it out. So another one more stock which I have taken by new scanner. I'll show you the only scan list. I'll show you only the scan list, but I'm not disclosing it on the scanner here right now. So only for a bullish, that stock is a trending bullish. Let me find out. These are the stocks which I'm focusing it out. So these are the stocks today. This is about the stocks which I got it from the scanner. I'm testing it out the scanner on live market. So VEDL, when I'm seeing that it is around 290, and I'm seeing State Bank of India while it is trading 556 or 60, I think, and it moves to 10 rupees. And Aarti Industries also I tried today around 30 rupees, 32, 32, and it went to 43 rupees, but I am not able to catch it. Aarti Industries, Bank Nifty, many opportunity I missed today. The Indian Hotel, where I booked a profit around 8K on Indian Hotel based on the scanner, somewhere ICICI Bank and Navin Fluoride. So Navin Fluoride is not generative good profit today, but I'm holding it out. So this is what another scanner which I am back testing that was working good on live market. So in the hotel also we have booked a good profit around 8,000 rupees with a quick cut time frame. Hindustan Hotel, Hindu Hotel. That is also another trade which I have done today. So 13.75 and sold it at by 15.75 on intraday basis. That was giving you based on the scanner. And if I'm watching that scanner which was giving you some good opportunity, it's not about the end of the day. What are the trades which I have taken? So VDL4K I booked around in Aarti Industries missed Bank Nifty, Indo Hotel 8K. So that's it. Two trades from this list. I booked around 12K based on the scanner, but I'm not disclosing the scanner. I will disclose the scanner about, in future. About sure I'm going to disclose the scanner. But I'm testing it out and it was working good and well about the scanner. So such a great opportunity today. These are the stocks were continuous bullish. And let me try it out tomorrow. What are the stocks? And we'll try to do the trade on that particular stock. So another 8 and great an opportunity. As well as 45 degree, it is always working better and good. So if you are following this, even you can go for ACC, Canara Bank, RBL, NTPC. That was I missed an earlier. That was what my first trade. I tried to take a NTPC around 125 call option. And that is my first trade in stocks today, NTPC, because it is around NTPC 165 call option, which I focused it out. My entry point is around 4.6, I think. That I'm trying it to buy NTPC. That was a great move today. So a lot of options moving high, but a lot of trade opportunities I was missing out today. But the faster move as well as very great move today. In NTPC, what I thought NTPC immediately it moves. But I'm trying NTPC to 60. Can you try 260? I think NTPC somewhere around at what time I'm talking about NTPC. And I'll tell you that exactly. I'm searching on my places. 5.8, not about 4.6. So 5.8, which I'm trying NTPC to buy. Okay, so immediately it reaches 6 plus, but I'm not interested to buy cash that highly moving stock. But finally it closed by nearby 9 rupees, 5.8 to 8.8, almost 3 rupees, 15,000. There is opportunity we missed out on NTPC. But NTPC I'm using a different concept to find out the trade. But these are the stocks which is giving you such a good opportunity by 45 degree. That was a great opportunity you can make. So make use of the scanner. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much.